Video we'll be showing you how to use book out time. So what the book out time is used for is if there's a period of time in the day where the worker is going to be away or coming in a little late. There are options to use custom hours. Where the custom hours would come into play is, let's say normally on a Saturday I work 9 to 5, but for 3 Saturdays in a row, I'm going to work only 10 to 2. That would be a custom hours scenario. What the book out time is really generally used for is for team meetings. Maybe they're arriving late because they have to stop at the store on the way in, or they need to leave for a couple hours for a dentist appointment, or maybe they need to schedule their lunches. Scheduling lunches and meetings is probably going to be the #1 use of this feature. So let's go ahead. So once you're on the appointment book, you scroll down and you go ahead and click book out time. And then it will auto-populate the start and end dates with today's date. If it's something like you need to schedule every other week for a couple months, we can do that. So we'll set that up. And then you can select all the workers, or you can select a couple specific workers, like I'll do Georgia and Ashley. Maybe Georgia and Ashley are going to work on cross-training each other on a certain service offering. You select the start time and end time. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit. And then you can go in here and type in, let's say, cross-training, or you can put in lunch. When you do lunches, a lot of times people will do every day. And then just go ahead and click search. It's going to make sure they're available for that booking. And then you just go ahead and click book all, and then you'll see that right here on the calendar. If something came up, maybe you said, oh, okay, we have to bump this down a half hour on today's date, you can just take this, drag it and drop it. You would have to do that for both the appointments, but you can move these just like you can move the appointments. Thank you for watching and have a great day.